Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. This is Ms. Rida Asif, your mathematics teacher from SM Public Academy, Campus 5. So, what we were discussing yesterday, we were discussing chapter number 4, algebraic sentences. Remember? Algebraic sentences. What is algebraic sentence? A sentence involve algebraic number. It is called algebraic sentence. There are three kinds of algebraic sentence. It can either be true, false, or open sentence. Okay. Now today what we are going to discuss, we are going to discuss exercise 4.3, which is on page number 71. This is for today's index. Question number 1, 2, 4, 5, and 7. Students, today I'm going to have your two sessions. I'm going to take your two sessions. In first session, we are going to complete question 1, 2, 4, and 5, inshallah. And in the second session, we will discuss and complete question number 7 together. Okay. So this is the index for today, exercise 4.3, question 1, 2, 4, 5, and 7. Clear? This exercise is on page number 71. Okay. So let's discuss some example questions together. Then we are going to start our exercise. Okay. So the question is twice a number is 18. Find the number. Okay. Now look at the question. The question is solve. Okay. Now in this question, we have to find the equation and then we have to solve it also. Okay. We have to solve it as well as. Now, twice a number is 18. That means we don't know the number. Okay? Twice a number is 18. Find the number. When we don't know that what number is given to us, we have to suppose the number. So I have supposed the number to be x. So let x be the number. I have supposed the x be the number. Now twice. What is the meaning of twice? Twice means double. Double means two times. So here I get 2x. Twice means double. For example, here thrice a number is written. So I will write 3x, right? I will write 3x. But here twice a number is 18. So I will write 2x is means is equal to 18. So here I got this algebraic sentence. Okay. Now I have to find the number. What number? Which number? I have to find the number x. I have to find the number x. So 2 is multiplied here with x. I have to find x. Then we have to move this 2 to the right hand side and it will going to be divided by 18. Okay, when this 2 will move to the right hand side, it will move in the denominator. We get 18 upon 2, not 2 upon 18. What we get here, 2 is multiplied over here. So when it will move to the right hand side, we get 18 upon 2, not 2 upon 18, right? So 2 ones are 2 and 2 into 9 is 18. So we get x equal to 18. X equal to 18. So let's check it out. Right? 2x is equals to 18 and 18 divided by 2 is 9. Very good, Aisha, Sheroz. Very good. Shabash, bete. So we can also check our answers. How can we check the answer? If I put this value of x in our given equation, if it satisfies the equation, that means our solution, our result is correct. So if I put 9 over here in this given equation, we get 2 into 9. If I put the value of x is equals to 9 here, the 2 9s are 18. That means it's true. That means it's true. Okay? So that means our answer is correct. You can check the answer as well in these type of question. Exactly. Now the next question. 4 times a number is 16. Find the number. 4 times the number is 16. Find the number. Now again we have to suppose the number. Again we have to suppose the number. 4 times a number. Number is not given. So let x be the number, and 4 times means that 4 into x. Okay, 4 into x is means is equal to 16. Okay, 4x is equals to 16, right? So here we get 4x is equals to 16. Now this 4 will move into the denominator. We get x equals to 4. And we can check the answer also. Okay, Abdul Rahman, Afra, how can we check the answer? By putting the value of x in the given equation. So we get 4 into 4 is 16. Fatma Nadeem, Iman Jahan, Bete Talha Zishan, is it clear? Manur, is it clear? By putting this value over here, we get 4 into 4 is 16. That means answer is correct. Next question. If 4 is subtracted, yes, Abdul Rahman. If 4 is subtracted from a number, 5 is obtained. Can you share your equation in the chat box? If 4 is subtracted from a number, 5 is obtained. First of all, what we have to do, we have to suppose the number to be x. Okay, from a number we have to suppose that number to be x. What will be the equation? Very good, Abir, Shehroz, Aisha, very good, bete. Yes, I want answer by Hania also, by Talha also. Yes, bete, share your Saqlain, share your answer. Waris, share your answer. Sumaya, please share your answer in the chat box. No, Rabia. No, bete. Not like this. Exactly, Alishba Rizwan. No, Rumessa. No, Rayan. Bete, now listen to me. Now listen to me. From a number. Yesterday, I told you that the number which is written after from, the number which is written after from will going to be written first. Okay? Just remember my this statement, what I'm saying to you. The number, the term which is written after from is going to be written first. After from is going to be written first. Okay? So after from, a number is given, that is x. So I have to write x. Okay, x. If 4 is subtracted, 4 subtract ho raha hai. So 4 is subtracted, not 4 minus x. Bete, please. 4 is subtracted from x. Okay, read it with me. 4 is subtracted from x. Be careful about it. What is obtained? 5 is obtained. So this is equal to 5. Okay. X minus 4 is equals to 5. Iman Nasib, very good. Anam, good. So here, first of all, we have to let x be the number. So we get x minus 4 is equals to 5. Now this 4 is subtracted here. When we move it to the right hand side, the sign of subtraction will become, here the sign will become plus. Okay, here 4 is subtracted. When it moves to the right hand side, it becomes plus. We get 5 minus 4 is equals to, 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. Very good, Aisha. So we get the answer x is equal to 9. So next question, by adding 4 to twice a number, 12 is obtained. Find the number. So what is the step number 1? What will be the step number 1? What will be, now you can share your equation in the chat box again, my dear. By adding 4 to twice a number, 12 is obtained. So here we have to suppose, let x be the number again. Exactly, Aman, very good. Let x be the number. So we get 2x, very good Ali, Aisha, excellent. 2x plus 4 is equals to 12. By adding 4 to twice a number, 12 is obtained, right? Now, what will happen then? Here 4 is adding over here with 2x. We only want to find the value of x. So this, when this plus 4 will move to the right hand side, it becomes minus 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. So we get 2x is equal to 8. Okay. Now how can we find the value of x? X is equal to 8 upon 2. That means 4. 2 fours are 8. So here we get the value x is equal to 4. And when we put the value of x over here in the given equation, we can find that our solution is perfectly fine. Okay? Is it clear? We get 2 fours are 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. That means it's correct. Okay? Clear, everybody? Any question? Yes, Anya, any question? Yes, so student, you can ask the question over here. Abir, you have completed yesterday work and classwork, homework? Good. So student, let's begin our classwork together. Okay, so there is no question for today. So this is the index for today. Question 12457. 12457. Okay. Note down the index, bete. Ramla, you can submit these sheets in the physical class, inshallah. When the school will reopen, you can submit the loose sheets when the school will reopen. Okay. Done? You have noted down the index. Now let's begin the work. Bete, in the left side, in the left corner, you have to mention the date. Then at the top, you have to mention exercise 4.3, question 1, 2, 4, 5, and 7. Copy down the question 1 properly from page number 71. Kindly open page number 71 and start solving the question. In the same time, I'm going to take your attendance. Okay? Copy down the question in this way properly. Then I will ask you to share your videos with me. Okay? Start solving the question. Question 1. Okay? Start solving the question. If you are having any problem, you can raise your hand. You can raise your hand if you are having any problem. Yes, Vanya, you are raising your hand. Sanya is raising her hand. What happened? Unmute yourself. Any problem, Sanya? Who is this Rumesa Usman Ummehani? Rumesa Usman Ummehani, who is this? Taba, I want you to rename yourself properly, please. Rumesa Usman Ummehani, kindly share in the chat box who's this and kindly rename yourself also. Okay? Manahil, are you solving the question? Kindly raise your hand after completing it so that I can start your videos. Okay? Done, everybody? Start the next question, bete. Start question number 2 quickly. Question number 2 is 4 times a number is 12. Find the number. Have you completed the next question? Ramla, have you completed the question number 2? Very good, Talha. Today I want to inform you one more thing, that tomorrow again I am having 2 sessions. So these sessions will be the recorded session. In one session I will explain you the properties of quadrilaterals thoroughly. Okay, it will be very important class for you. Okay, and I will discuss construction of square again tomorrow. Plus, in the second session, we will discuss exercise 4.3. Some question will be discussed by tomorrow, and you have to attend the class properly and you have to complete the classwork also. Okay. Um, One more thing, I want you to make correction in question number 13 today. Please, on page number 71, I want you all to make correction in question number 13. Question number 13 is, just check out question number 13. The price of a doll is twice that of a ball, right? If 3 balls and two dolls cost rupees 48, kindly make correction. It's written that if 3 balls, so just cut down this 3 and write down 2. Okay, cut this 3, write down 2. Okay, and 2 dolls is written, kindly cut this 2 and write down 3. Yes, sir, students. Make correction quickly. So you all are showing your answers. Let me show you first the correction. Students, in question number 13, the question is price of a doll is twice that of a ball if 3 balls. So I want you to make correction. Make correction if 2 balls, right? If 2 balls and here 3 dolls. Okay, we will discuss this question inshallah by tomorrow. So write down if 2 balls and 3 dolls in your book, right? So let's check out the answers. So here Ramla is showing answer to us. Okay, Ramla, question number 1. Let, very good. Date exercise question is properly mentioned. Let x be the number 2x is equals to 10. So we get x equals to 5. Very good. Question number 2. Let's check out, very good, bete. Let's check out the second answer by Amna. Amna. Amna, you have not written let x be the number. First write down let x be the number in both the question. Okay, Amna, write down first. Okay, now Vanya's copy is there. Vanya, question number 1, let x be the number. Very good, x is equals to 5. Now students, let's check out answer number 2. Let x, answer number 2, bete. Answer number 2, let x be the number 4x is equals to 12. So we get x equals to 3. Very good. Very good. Now let's check out here Aisha's copy. Next is Halima. Okay. Very good, Halima. Very good. Now next is Aisha's copy is there on the screen. Very good, Aisha. We get x equals to 3. Okay. 12 upon 4. So here we get 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. X equal to 3. Very good. Now next is Zainab. Next is, okay, next is Nusaiba. Very good, Nusaiba. Very good, Bite. Next is Zainab. Very good, Zainab. Zainab, can you show the question number 4 to us? Question number 4. Okay. If 4 is subtracted, can I read the question? If 4 is subtracted from a number, 2 is obtained. Okay. Let x be the number. Now, solution. Show me the solution, Bite. X minus 4 is equals to 2. Okay, so you are solving this question right now. Kindly complete this question. Okay, kindly complete this question. Find the value of x. Good, Bete. Next copy is here. Rumesa Abed, Bete, very good, very proper work, Shabash. Next is, let's check out. Sheroz, yes. Okay, so here we get the answer number. Um, Answer number 2. Let x be 4x is equals to 12, x is equals to 3. Very good. Very good. Excellent copy presentation. Very good, Bete. Excellent work. Abdullah. Yes, Abdullah. Abdullah Ashtaq. Yes. Very good. Abdullah. Abdullah, can you share question number 4? Very good, Abdullah. Good presentation. Can you share question number 4? What happened, Abdullah? Ola Fatma is there. Okay, yes. So very good, Ola, let x be the number. So x minus 4 is equal to, here 4 is subtracted over here. When it moves to the right hand side, it becomes plus. So here we get 4 plus 2 is equals to 8. 4 plus 2 is equals to 8. Very good. Now kindly complete the question number 5 quickly so that I can check question number 5 also. Question number 5 also. Very good, Bete. Kindly raise your hand so that I can, after completing question 5, raise your hand so that we can check out your answers. Where is Ali? Ali. Okay, Muhammad Ali, show me your work, bete. Question number 5. Aisha has come. Oh, Aisha, great. You have completed question 5 as well. Very good. Very good, Ali. This is question number 4. No, this is question number 2. Okay, very good, Ali. Show me question number 4. Aisha, please open your video. Ramiz Yasin. Ramiz, start your video, bete. Start your video. I want you to open your video quickly. Hamza Kashif, open your video, bete. Acha, okay. Ali, you are completing your work. Okay, I'm waiting. Varis, open your video. Ali Jafri, open your video. Quickly, bete. Hamza Kashif, I want you to share your video. Why you will start your video later, Hamza? Okay, okay, Hamza. Hamza, you can share your answer in the chat box. You're on which question? Manahil, can you share your answer? Hania, can you share your answer? Taba, yes, Aman Jahan. Aman Jahan is there. Aman Jahan Mughal, show me the solution, bete. Show me the solution. You are completing the question. So that means how many of you have completed till question number 5? There is Aisha. Hania, you are not sharing your video. What happened? So we can see the question number 5 of Aisha Hassan's copy on the screen. Very proper. By adding 5 to twice a number, 13 is obtained. Okay, the question is on your screen. Here you can see find the number, right? So here we get 2x plus 5 is equals to 13. 5 is going to be subtracted from 13. We get 8. Very good. Now x is equals to 8 upon 2. We get x equals to 4. And when Aisha we put this value of 4 here in the given equation, we get 4 twos are 8 and 8 plus 5 is 13. Excellent. Perfect solution. Very good. Amna is sharing the answer here. Sanya is sharing the answer. Yes, Sanya. Very good, Sanya. Very good, bete. Sanya, can you please show me the yesterday work and yes. So that was the classwork. Very good. Very properly completed by you. And can you show me the homework as well? Yesterday homework. Very good. Show me the yesterday homework. So uh, this is the classwork or homework? Sanya? Okay, Hania, let me check. Let me check, Hania. Hania. Now you can open your video. Hania, open your video. Areeb, have you completed the classwork of yesterday and homework as well? Afra, who can show me yesterday homework? So students here are Abdur Rahman is there. So Abdur Rahman, this is the homework. Okay, I have given you yesterday question 2, 3 and 6. 2, 3 and 6. Question number 2, bit number 2, 3 and 6. Let me check. Thrice a number is 12. Very good. Very good. And the next question is number 3. If 5 is added to a number, perfect. And the last question I have given you, question number, bit number 6. If 4 is added to twice a number. Abdurrahman, can you please make correction in the last question? Twice a number. First listen to me. Beta, twice a number means 2x. 2 times x. Okay? 2x. We have to write, make correction. 2x into, okay, if 4 is added to twice a number, 14 is obtained. What is the meaning of added? Added means 2x plus 4. Okay, 2x plus 4 is equals to 14. Is it clear? Abdurrahman, is it clear or not? Now let's check out Ramla's work. Ramla, can you show your homework properly? Kindly keep your copy close to the camera. Close to the camera. More, more. Yes. So thrice a number, very good. We get 3x is equals to 12. If 5 is added, x plus 5 is equals to 8. Perfect. And here 4 is added to twice. 2x plus 4 is equals to 14. Perfect, Ramla. Perfect. Very good. So next is, next, let's check out here who is going to Manahil. I want Manahil to, Manahil is there. Manahil. Okay. So Manahil is there. Thrice a number, very good, you have made the correction. X plus 5 is equals to 8. We get 2x plus 4 is equals to 14. Manahil, can you show me today's class for question number 5? Question number 5. Okay, you are completing it right now. I want you to complete the classwork quickly, bete. Alishba Rizwan. Alishba Rizwan. Very good, Alishba. Question, next question. If 3 is, what is this, bete? I can't see. Can you show me that page again? If 3 is what you have done, homework question, I have given you bit 2, 3 and 6. 2, 3 and 6. Can you please check out that, bit you have copied question number 4. Wrong copied question. I have given you 2, 3 and 6. 2, 3 and 6. Let me show you Zainab's copy. Okay? Kindly make correction, everybody. 2, 3 and 6. Very good. Acha, look at the copy presentation. Date, question, exercise, homework, and properly question is mentioned at the top. Then thrice a number is 12. Very good. Then bit number 3 is there. 5 is added to x. We get is equals to 8. And bit number 6. I want you to copy down the correct bit numbers, please. Okay. Yesterday I asked you to tick the homework in your book. Okay. Very good, Zainab. Very good. Zainab, have you completed question number 5? Can you show us question number 5? Very good. So here is a solution of question number 5 on your screen. Question number 5 is on your screen. Very good, bete. Now, Iman Rashid. Very good, Iman. 2, 3 and 6. Very good. Excellent. Iman, show me your today's classwork. Show me today's classwork. Very good. Next page. Next page. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Any question, Iman? Any question? Very good. This is a solution done by Ali. Obviously, it is correct. Let me check Halima's copy. Very good. Very good, bete. And very good. Alishba Rizwan's copy is there. Alishba Rizwan. Alishba. Yes, Alishba. Alishba, avoid cutting, bete. Avoid cutting. So here we get 8. Alishba, can you please do these last 3 steps again in a proper way, please? Okay. Avoid cutting, bete. Avoid cutting. So that's it. Anamta Rehan is there. Anamta. Anamta. So here is Anamta's copy on the screen. Question 1. This is the homework. Okay, Anamta, show me your today's classwork, please, quickly. Today's classwork. This is the last copy we are going to show you. Anamta, 1 second. Anamta, question number 2. Question number 2 is 4 times a number. You have copied the wrong question, bete. You have copied question number 3. You have copied question number 3 from the book and I ask you to solve question 2. Okay. Next page. Anamta, quickly turn the page. Okay, question number 4. If 4 is subtracted from a number, 2 is obtained. So here it is going to be added over here. We get x is equals to 6. Okay, now question number 5. Very good. So that's all for the first session. Students, complete your last question. What happened, Saklan? See you just after 10 minutes. Be there, wait for me. Okay? See you after 10 minutes. Complete the question.